What is my IP address? So you just typed, "What is my IP address?" into the search bar, huh? You and half the internet, my friend. It's the digital equivalent of asking, "Where am I?" but for your computer. And while that sounds simple, there's actually a lot of techno magic happening behind the scenes to make that answer pop up. All right, picture this. You're at a party. Not one of those awkward ones where someone's cousin brings a ukulele and insists on playing the same 3 chords for 2 hours. I mean a fun, buzzing kind of party, where everyone's mingling. Now, imagine trying to send a drink across the room to someone named Jamie. If Jamie's not wearing a name tag or standing under a giant balloon that says, "Hi, I'm Jamie," good luck. That's basically what your IP address does on the internet. It's your device's name tag, so all your data knows where to go. But here's the kicker. You don't even own it. I know, right? That little string of numbers? It's leased to you by your internet service provider like some sort of digital Airbnb. You don't live there forever. Sometimes you reboot your router and poof, new address. Dynamic IPs, they're called. It's like moving houses in your sleep without the U-Haul. Weirdly convenient. Other times, especially if you're some kind of tech wizard or running a server from your basement with glowing LEDs and fans that sound like jet engines, you might have a static IP. That one sticks around longer, like that friend who crashes for a week and ends up staying through winter. Your IP can tell websites a lot more than you think, like where you're located. Not GPS ping you next to the coffee shop accurate, but still close enough to guess your city. Ever notice how ads start targeting pizza places near you after you Google cheapest pizza? Yeah, that's your IP working its magic whether you asked it to or not. Now toss a VPN into the mix, and it's similar to giving your device a disguise. You can make it look like you're sipping coffee in Amsterdam while you're actually in your pajamas in Saskatchewan. Kind of fun, kind of sneaky, good for privacy. Even better for binging shows that aren't available in your country because of licensing laws. Honestly, the deeper you go with this stuff, the weirder it gets. There's even IPv4 and IPv6, basically 2 different versions of the same concept. IPv4 is like the classic VW Beetle. It did its job, got us where we needed to go, but ran out of room for new passengers. IPv6 is the spaceship of IP addresses, huge, futuristic, and totally underappreciated by the general public. But it's there, humming along in the background like a silent upgrade. So, next time you ask, "What's my IP address?" know that you're asking more than a tech trivia question. You're poking at the fragile, mysterious infrastructure of the modern world, where everything is tracked, routed, filtered, and displayed, all based on a little label you didn't even know you had. Kind of makes you want to whisper thanks to your router, doesn't it? Just me? Cool. By the way, you can find your IP by going to whatismyipaddress.com. Please subscribe.